The local AI translator lets you translate with over 100 large language models offline via the Ollama framework. Our translation environment is built on the Ollama framework. In this short tutorial you will learn how to download and deploy large language models for various language-related tasks. Once you've downloaded a model onto your computer, you need to install or load it into the local AI translator. There are more than 100 Ollama models and not all are good at translating. And some models translate some language pairs better than others. To make it easy for you to try out different models, we have provided a simple way to change models in the translation interface. This means you can run the same translation with a variety of models to discover which is best for your particular translation task. Many large language models take up a considerable amount of disk space. It's a good practice to delete models you no longer need to avoid filling up your hard drive. The Model Manager provides an option to do this. We can also visit the Ollama website without leaving the local AI translator. There we can find detailed descriptions of the Ollama models and determine which models we can run locally on our computer. If you have any questions on managing Ollama models or any other topics relating to the local AI translator, please reach out to us on support@locali.world.